We will learn words starting with B in this video. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share this video, and please subscribe to the channel for more such content. So let's start. Backfire. Backfire means to have the reverse of the desired or expected effect. Background. Background means the scenery or ground behind something. Baffling. Baffling means confusing or puzzling. Baleful. Baleful means deadly or pernicious in influence. Balk. Balk means to abruptly refuse to comply. Ballad. Ballad means a narrative song with a recurrent refrain. Ballot. Ballot means a document used in voting that lists the choices. Banal. Banal means lacking originality, freshness, or novelty. Bane. Bane means something that causes misery or death, curse, ruin. Bankruptcy. Bankruptcy means the state of being actually or legally ruined financially. Banned. Banned means prohibited especially by legal means. Banquet. Banquet means an elaborate and often ceremonious meal. Bar. Bar means the body of individuals qualified to practice law. Bard. Bard means a lyric poet. Barely. Barely means in a meager manner. Bark. Bark means tough protective covering of the woody stems and roots of trees. Barrage. Barrage means the rapid and continuous delivery of linguistic communication, outpouring. Barred. Barred means prevented entry or exit or a course of action. Barren. Barren means producing little or no vegetation. Barrier. Barrier means a structure or object that impedes free movement. Bashful. Bashful means self-consciously timid, very modest. Basic. Basic means of or relating to essential structure, function, or facts. Basis. Basis means the bottom of something considered as its foundation. Battery. Battery means the unlawful beating of another, willful, violent, or negligent touching of another person. Bay. Bay means an inlet of the sea or other body of water usually smaller than a gulf. Beacon. Beacon means a signal or conspicuous mark erected as a guiding device. Beam. Beam means ray of light. Bearing. Bearing means having as a feature or characteristic. Bedazzled. Bedazzled means impressed forcefully, enchanted. Befriend. Befriend means to act as a friend, to become friendly with. Behavior. Behavior means the manner of conducting oneself. Belated. Belated means after the expected or usual time, delayed. Belies. Belies means shows something to be false or wrong. Belligerence. Belligerence means an aggressive or truculent attitude, atmosphere, or disposition. Benefactor. Benefactor means a person who helps people or institutions, financially. Beneficial. Beneficial means promoting or enhancing well-being. Benevolent. Benevolent means kind, generous. Benign. Benign means of a mild type or character. Bequeath. Bequeath means to leave or give by will. Berate. Berate means to scold or rebuke. Bereft. Bereft means unhappy in love, suffering from unrequited love, sorrowful through loss or deprivation. Beret. Beret means a viseless, usually woolen cap with a tight headband and a soft full flat top. Betray. Betray means to reveal unintentionally, to deliver to an enemy by treachery. Betrayed. Betrayed means treated falsely or disloyally. Beverage. Beverage means a drinkable liquid. Bewilder. Bewilder means to be a mystery, to puzzle, to confuse, to perplex. Biased. Biased means favoring one person or side over another, having propensity toward an object or view. Bibliographer. Bibliographer means one who writes or is versed in the history or description of books. Bibliography. Bibliography means a list often with descriptive or critical notes of writings relating to a particular subject, author, or publisher. Bilked. Bilked means frustrated or disappointed, deceived or defrauded. Billboard. Billboard means large outdoor signboard. Bills. Bills mean statutes in draft before they become law. Binding. Binding means tying or holding together as a single mass. Biologist. Biologist means a scientist who studies living organisms. Biology. Biology means a branch of science that deals with living organisms and vital processes. Birthday. Birthday means the day on which a person is born. Biting. Biting means capable of wounding, sharp and hurtful. Bitter. Bitter means marked by strong resentment or cynicism. Bizarre. Bizarre means strikingly out of the ordinary. Blaze. Blaze means a strong flame that burns brightly. Bleeding. Bleeding means losing or shedding 1a circumflex s blood. Blemish. Blemish means a mark or flaw that spoils the appearance of something. Bloodhound. Bloodhound means a breed of large powerful hound of European origin having very acute smell and used in tracking. Blossom. Blossom means the flower of a plant. Bluebell. Bluebell means any of various plants bearing bluebell-shaped flowers. Blueprints. Blueprints means guides for making something else, detailed plans or technical drawings. Blunt. Blunt means characterized by disconcerting directness in manner or speech, without subtlety or evasion. Boar. Boar means an incastrated male swine. Board. Board means a group of people appointed or elected to manage a public or private entity, council. Boast. Boast means to speak of or assert with excessive pride. Body. Body means the main, central, or principal part of an argument. Bohemian. Bohemian means unconventional in especially appearance or behavior. Boldness. Boldness means the trait of being willing to undertake things that involve risk or danger. Bolt. Bolt means to swallow hastily or without chewing. Bombast. Bombast means pompous or pretentious talk or writing. Bombastic. Bombastic means ostentatiously lofty in style. Bonus. Bonus means an additional payment to employees as a means of increasing output. Book. Book means a collection of sheets of paper or similar material bound together, blank, written, or printed. Boon. Boon means a desirable state, blessing. Boorish. Boorish means ill-mannered, coarse and contemptible in behavior or appearance. Boost. Boost means the act of giving hope or support to someone. Borders. Borders means lines that indicate a boundary. Boredom. Boredom means the state of being weary or restless due to lack of interest. Botanist. Botanist means a biologist specializing in the study of plants. Boundless. Boundless means unconfined, immeasurable, illimitable, infinite. Bounds. Bounds means limiting lines, borders. Bourgeois. Bourgeois means conforming to the standards and conventions of the middle class. Boycotted. Boycotted means engaged in a concerted refusal to have dealings with. Brag. Brag means an instance of boastful talk. Branches. Branches means things that extend from or enter into a main body or source. Bravery. Bravery means the quality of being courageous. Bridge. Bridge means to find a way of getting over, as a difficulty. Brightness. Brightness means the quality of being luminous, emission of reflection of light. Brilliant. Brilliant means distinguished by unusual mental keenness or alertness. Brittle. Brittle means having little elasticity, hence easily cracked or fractured or snapped. Broached. Broached means made public, uttered, published first, put forth, introduced as a topic of conversation. Broadcast. Broadcast means a transmission of a radio, television program, or signal for public use. Broadcaster. Broadcaster means someone who broadcasts on radio or television. Brooding. Brooding means dwelling gloomily on a subject. Browse. Browse means to look around casually or randomly. Bruise. Bruise means an injury that doesn't a circumflex uroti break the skin but results in some discoloration. Brusqueness. Brusqueness means an abrupt discourteous manner, prompt roughness. Brutality. Brutality means the trait of extreme cruelty. Buck. Buck means a male animal. Bucolic. Bucolic means relating to or typical of rural life. Budget. Budget means a sum of money allocated for a particular purpose. Buffer. Buffer means to protect from impact. Bureaucrat. Bureaucrat means an official who is rigidly devoted to the details of administrative procedure. Butcher. Butcher means a retailer of meat, a person who slaughters or dresses meat for market. Buttress. Buttress means an external prop or support, usually of stone or brick, built to reinforce the integrity of a structure. Buyer. Buyer means a person who makes purchases. Bygone. Bygone means well in the past, former. Byline. Byline means the line giving the name of the writer of a story or article. Bypass. Bypass means to avoid something unpleasant or laborious. So that's it for this lesson. See you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.